If you want to be rich someday, then you need to go and work on these three things. That is if you don't already have them. If you already have all these three things, then relax. You know that one day you are going to be very, very rich. Hello. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 signs that you are going to become rich someday. Hi, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Lukman, and I want to be showing you, or I want to be sharing with you today, signs, 3 signs that will show you that you become rich someday. You see, richness or wealth does not just fall on your lap. Even if you win a lottery, you must have put in some effort. And I've not seen most people who won the lottery end up spending the money anyhow. They end up becoming poor. So wealth or riches is not gained from lottery. And even if you win the lottery, it's only about 1% of the people that plays the lottery that wins. The rest 99% just waste their money. So I want you to watch this video from the beginning to the end. It's not going to be long. It's going to be like 6 or 7 minutes long. So the 3 signs that you become rich someday. Number 1, you have to know that luck is a myth. What do I mean? There is nothing called luck. Success or breakthrough is just when you are prepared and opportunity comes your way. So the equation is opportunity meeting preparation. And it is when opportunity now meets the preparation that people now say you are lucky. There is nothing called luck. Breakthrough or success is a combination of opportunity meeting your preparation. You must have prepared. I've not heard, or I've not read of any of the successful people, the millionaires, the billionaires of the world. I've not seen them sitting down waiting for luck. They must have started early, and they must have been doing something. Bill Gates started early. Warren Buffett started early. All of them started early. Mark Zuckerberg is still very young. He started early. He doesn't sit back and say money will come. He did some things, and when the opportunity comes, he just grab it, and the thing start working for him. When Zoom started, Zoom didn't just sit down and said something will come. Zoom have done a lot of preparation, and during the lockdown in 2022, Zoom catapulted to millions, billions, made a lot of money doing so. Is preparation is an opportunity meeting your preparation. Number 2, you must have a sense of urgency. Napoleon Hill, guess you know who Napoleon Hill is. He investigated so many millionaires. He interviewed them, talked with them, and he studied so many of them, so many world billionaires. And he came to the conclusion that all of them have that sense of urgency. When they see an opportunity, they don't let it pass by. They don't wait. They just take it and run with it, and make sure they use it early when others are not aware of it. And that is why most of them are successful. The third one is that you are goal-oriented. A lot of people just live their life as if their life is just, they can wind the hand of clock together. You must have a goal. Anything that you do, you must have a goal. Whatever you are doing, there must be goal. What do you wish to achieve? What is your goal? What is your vision? What are you trying to achieve? A lot of people just feel you can just continue anything you do, millions, millions. They say it by word of mouth, but they're not putting in any action, and they are not goal oriented. They don't have goal. You must have daily goals. Apart from that, you must have weekly goals, and you must also have a monthly goal, and you must have what you call a yearly goal, so that you know whether you are succeeding or not. If you want to be rich someday, then you must be goal oriented. Most of the successful people that I know, or just talk of research all the successful people, you know that they are goal oriented. They just wake up and start making millions. They have goals, they put in goals. If they are making $10,000 this month, they want to surpass that next month. They are deliberate about it. They want to surpass 10,000. So they will be planning of getting 15,000, or they will be planning of getting 20,000. The following month, if they reach the 20,000, then they double down on what they've done the previous month, and they aim for like $30,000. So that is the way it comes. You don't just sit down and do nothing and expect millions to come. Nothing ventures, nothing gained. If you don't do anything, then nothing will come to you. If you don't just wish, I wish to be like Donald Trump. I wish to be like Elon Musk. I wish to be like Dangote, without doing anything. Even Dangote goes to office every time. Elon Musk is not resting. Warren Buffett is not resting. As old as he was then, he was not resting. Then Bill Gates not resting. Mark Zuckerberg is not resting. That is why you see him acquiring so many businesses. He's acquiring it and turning them to profit maker, because he has a goal, he has a vision, he knows where he's going. He's goal oriented. You don't just sit down and expect things to come your way. My friend, if you want to be rich someday, then you need to go and work on these three things. That is, if you don't already have them. If you already have all these three things, then relax. You know that one day you are going to be very, very rich. My name is Lukman, and this is my money talk. If you enjoy this, give it a like. Give it a like by just pressing the thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. For those who have subscribed, thanks for subscription. Until I come your way again, remain financially intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.